Welcome to PDFLiner Easy Guides. Today we are going to show you how to fill out PDF forms using PDFLiner. I'm sure many of us had a situation when we had a small amount of time to complete a form or a document, and sometimes it happens when we are on the go. This is when an online PDF editor comes in handy, because you can always rely on it to complete your forms anytime from any device. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fill out forms with fillable fields and the plain ones. So, first of all, upload your form to PDFLiner or search for one in our library. Once the PDF editor is loaded, we can start with the filling process. In the first case, we have a form with fillable fields. This is a simple case where you just have to read what is required and enter the information in the fillable fields. To add text, click on the text field and enter your information. If you need to add a mark, simply click on the checkbox field and it will appear. In case you need a date, click on the date field and choose the one that you need. To add a picture, click on the image field and upload your picture. To add a signature, click on the sign field and choose one of the methods to create a signature. For example, type, enter your name and select a font that looks like your handwriting and click the sign button. As you can see, the process is pretty intuitive, and with the fillable fields you simply have to click on it and do what is required. Now, what if we received a document without any fields? In this case, you have a complete set of tools in our PDF editor. To write something on your form, use an Add Text tool. Simply click on it and place the cursor where you need to write. To add a mark, choose the Insert option and select the needed check mark, for example a cross, and add it to your document. If you need a date, pick the Add Date tool and place the cursor where you need it. The current date will appear. If you need another date, write it instead. For an image, again, pick the Insert tool and choose the Image option. Upload your image and place it where you need it. The same goes for a signature. Click on the Add Sign tool and create a signature using one of these options. Then place the signature on your document. Once you've completed the form, double-check all the information and click the Done button to save, print or email your PDF. Using PDFLiner, you can also edit, sign, convert and share any PDF documents and have unlimited access to thousands of fillable forms. Learn more at pdfliner.com.